In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that starts with a template and ends with a clean, customized logo that matches your brand's personality. First, once you're on the Canva homepage, head straight to the Templates section. This is where Canva collects professionally designed ideas, and it's the fastest way to jumpstart your logo without staring at a blank canvas. Templates give you structure, good typography, balanced spacing, and visual hierarchy, so you can focus on making the design yours. Next, in the search bar, type logo. You'll see a wide range of options across different styles and industries. Think about the tone you want to communicate: bold and modern, elegant and minimal, playful and friendly. You can use the built-in filters to narrow by style or color, which helps you quickly zero in on a direction that fits your brand. Take a moment to browse through the template results. Don't rush this part. Look at how each option handles fonts, shapes, and icons. Ask yourself whether the design still reads well at small sizes, since logos need to be recognizable on things like social profiles and favicons. Pick a template that's close to your vibe rather than a perfect match. The closer it is, the fewer changes you'll need later. When you've found a strong candidate, click Customize this template. Canva will open the editor with your chosen design ready to modify. This creates your working copy so you can experiment freely and revert if needed. It's a good idea to rename the project right away so you can find it later. Now it's time to edit the logo template, or should I double-click the text to replace the placeholder name with your brand name. If there's a tagline, keep it short and increase letter spacing slightly for legibility. Adjust fonts to suit your identity. Try a single, distinctive typeface, or pair a bold headline font with a clean secondary font. Update colors to match your brand using the color picker or a hex code if you have one. For icons, open the Elements panel. Search for a keyword relevant to your business, and swap in an icon that complements the typography rather than competing with it. Align everything cleanly using Canva's smart guides, and use position tools to center, distribute, or group elements. Test legibility by zooming out and imagining the logo on dark and light backgrounds. High contrast is key. If you want to explore variations, duplicate the page and try alternative fonts or color accents side by side. That's the core process. Start with a strong template, customize with intention, and refine until it feels unmistakably yours.